Hi everybody, this is Roxy. I have a really fast and furious Dollar Tree haul because I found my favorite glue sticks, Avery. So I stocked up and got 3 of them. And why they're all sticky, I don't know. Oh, I see. But then I saw this thing. I'm going to see how this is. It's to hold, oh yeah, and then there's this, July 25th. So, don't forget. I'm going to put that in my reminder book. I usually forget anyways. So I saw this and thought I might as well give it a try. I'll get my brushes. I keep all my brushes in. These are like my acrylics and weird brushes. Like I use this one for Mod Podge. And here's all my watercolors. So I do want to keep those separate. And my little piggy. But I could use these somewhere. So I'm going to see how this goes. I don't have very high expectations. But you never know. And if it doesn't work, I will exchange it. Okay. Can't be that hard, right? Already it's hard. So this is the top. I think I gotta do the bottom first. There we go. Oh, they're angled. Like wider and narrower on top. But how does it turn around? It doesn't turn around. Oh, I thought it was going to turn around. Well, that's kind of dumb. It'd be nice if it was like a little Lazy Susan. But then it wouldn't be $1, right? Well, let's see. I like how they have them, the pencil's perfectly straight. It's like, you know they taped them. Well, it could be doable. But it'd be nicer if it turned around. Which I think you could probably do the old Dollar Tree hack of putting 2 cake bands with marbles or something. I don't remember. Oh, I think it's those glass beads in between. Yeah, so that's. See, I like. I don't think I'd like this. So you'd have to. Yeah, I can't get it out. For this, you just grab it and pull it out. So, but I thought I'd see what it's like. It could work for some, not for moi. I like to have, because I have this way over there, so it's not right in my face. But if I need to grab a brush, I can just grab it. Sorry. See how this is? I'll put it where I put it. So I'll show you now. That's where I have it, way back there. So then I can just grab, you know, this one's a little closer because I use it more and my girls are here, or the girl and the boy. And then I put, where is it? Here. She goes in there. So there we have my art. And then this thing, see that turns around. I'll turn this little. So I can grab anything out of there. But like I said, this way I can just reach out and grab one of my brushes. So, but it's kind of a cute concept. I think I will pass. Maybe I'll just throw it in the bin for my thrift store instead of taking a trip back. Alright, so I realized I don't have my mic in, so Sorry about that. But that's the little pencil and brush organizer from Dollar Tree. Thanks for watching. Bye.